Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel bana update bana jalink ka query nyale Japan pan uh, roja dan ban lingwa same roja chala de kirma yadit kiman chala rewi ka South Sudan ka kwarna kirma yadit kajan lera me chala ne kirma yadit ja perka ne techi yak kare nyal teji yakare nyal ka Unity State waja perka dien no ne ti jandang ro teji liu ka chu kan ram ke radian ke jejran nyal ka rode ko re nyal jeja rode re wi ka bintu am charode jejo ka wuda ka juba wa changan mini nan wan kana kanang chu nang na minin dang de ka rodian ka chu re nyal mo chu yak wajen te gare ruwa bishe pantin jan gwada dan en liu ne ti shoku jan dangro re nyala mone re nyala me ne de kona kape kane ti lat petroleum ka ne tin kon tin tat ka liet dana kwala kok men ku so Sudan le yang kaja ti loch selu ke ma yadi ti lode jega lon kare ga dana ti tuok chela do ne jaslo an di de long ka jen kwire nyala me ka kwine ente jandang rodin kono chiliu kone de kono chiliu let kana wajeka let kana South Sudan ka chi jek fam ne ke na bech duno we South Sudan ke liu jega jabech ko kane ti kalat to kwa South Sudan kwa la dika dien wi mona me gwadan chire nyala me che yaktin che konung jaslo an medit ko jeg dan kane ti shit ka to be jelong tikir ma yadit che raja mo che jokwen jente perka ne jandang ro ko ne chiliu ram kela dana chitek chala ro jen jadol wal re wi ki juba ne jandang ro wa cha kanang pan cha kanang cha kare wi ki juba dol wal lo jen gwal dan wa toten ano cha ram dan en chiken la ram kel karwade ko jen wa chitet ke to le men shuga wa jadol walan tama jega walten konten dong de ponde kule jako buka pol ban rajame ban je kwen kel Canadian kon dong gorja and what they can link to English. President Salva Kiir has expressed deep sorrow over the tragic death of 20 people in plane crash in the Unity State on Wednesday. He has directed the Minister of Transport and other relevant authorities to conduct a prompt and thorough investigation into the incident. The crash involved a light air service plane carrying 21 people, including 19 passengers and 2 crew members, which went down shortly after takeoff. Petroleum Minister Potkang confirmed the flight was heading to Juba. Earlier, the aircraft had safely landed at an oil field while transporting a senior official of the Greater Pioneer Operating Company, GPOC, and as reported by SSBC News, however, when engineer and technical staff boarded for the return flight to Juba for their routine monthly shift, the plane crashed into a bushy area just 3 minutes after takeoff, leaving the wreckage mangled. The victims included 15 South Sudanese, 2 Chinese nationals, 2 Ugandan crew members, and 1 Indian national. Their bodies have been transferred to a morgue in Juba. Remarkably, there was 1 survivor who is currently receiving medical treatment in Juba. In a statement, President Kiir said, "It is with profound sorrow and a heavy heart that I learned of the tragic plane crash in Unity State. This tragedy deeply impacts not only the families of the deceased, but also our communities, our nation, and the oil industry. These individuals were committed to progress of our country, and their loss is deeply felt by all." He also extended his condolence to the bereaved families, GPOC staff, and others affected while wishing the survivor a swift recovery. He emphasized the need for answers and accountability to provide closure to the grieving families. The Minister of Petroleum confirmed that investigations are underway to determine the cause of the crash, which is one of the deadliest aviation accidents in the country's history. Shakir she paramo che YouTube ko lerne diala kon tin che family ken jen we mona me che ga jogo no ba solution ba je no ko do bdan en che yeken che jen ka ja ba ne tin kon dong te ka lwang ko che nyala me ki man ya ka ja ba tar ba je gur amene company man dan en tere nyala me te pinde ken dial ba ka guch ajele dana gor di nywa ye kel ya temal